Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we're planning for the last week of June. I am continuing with the Kellofaplan seasonal sticker book. This is for the week of June 21st through the 27th. And as you're watching this will be the last week that I'm going to be planning with this wild styled on a regular basis. I might still use it here and there if I need some like planner pages, but other than that, that is it. We are done with that planner and we're going to be moving on to our 18 months. So I'm super excited. I don't have that many stickers left, as you can probably see, so I am going to be kind of being creative and creating the spread. So this is the fourth spread with the sticker book. Not only the sticker book, but I stayed within the season. I used a spring only. It is so exciting. I wanted to see if it can be done, and the answer is yes. Hopefully you guys like those spreads, because again, just because I did doesn't mean everybody's gonna like them, but this is quite pretty, and I'm gonna lift up the sticker just for a bit and use my white marker. This is the Uni-Ball Signa pen. Hold on. Ugh, the sticker's stuck down. So I'm gonna just hold it with the tweezer. There, all done. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, and then I'm gonna add some flowers, and like I said, this will be a super quick video. And I know at the beginning you saw all of those spreads that were undone, so I usually film my wellness all together, so one after another. So this is filmed like a month in advance by the time you guys watch the last video, but it's just so much easier to use one sticker book that way. Okay, I'm gonna add more flowers because why not? Let's add more flowers. Okay, here we go. Almost. Not yet. Not yet. Now. Okay, let's add that little snippet. And I think the rest of it is fine. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and white out that box and add a floral in here as well. Oh, that works. That's beautiful. Okay, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. I am so happy you found me. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If you haven't checked out my giveaway just yet, go ahead and do so. It ends on the 25th, so if you're watching this prior to June 25th, go ahead and enter the giveaway. It's quite a big one. There's some lovely stickers and a planner in there. So that's super exciting, and I'm already preparing the next giveaway because I used to do them quite often, and then life got busy and I got off track. But I'm going to try to get back to normal, at least for now, and then when I move I will see. But for the time being, that's what I would like. Okay, time for my trusty little checklist. I've been using this shape, like this beautiful shape stencil, and I really like how these bullet points look like that. Okay, I'm gonna fix that black smudge because what happened? I'm gonna let that dry, so I'm gonna work on Tuesday next. As you guys know, in my wellness I do 5 bullet points, so That is for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and my supplements. And then I do movement and mood and any kind of symptoms I might have that day of any kind. This is just for tracking. I think this helps me with knowing what's going on with my body, and if I need a doctor's appointment, I can easily reference what was going on with me. So if you do wellness tracking, leave me some tips down below, but that's all I track. As far as hydration goes, I'm one of those people that I don't necessarily believe that I need all the 8 glasses of water. I really do think that my body will tell me when it's thirsty, and yes, I stay hydrated and make sure I don't have headaches and stuff like that, but I think that you can overdrink as well. My body does not need that much water, so I stopped tracking hydration. And again, this is just my opinion. Somebody else can think something else, but I still try to stay hydrated, so I probably do like 4 to 5 glasses a day, but that's just what I crave because I have been drinking a lot of water normally, so I think my body's used to it. But again, I don't really track it. I just know like what I did in the last couple days. Okay, couple more bullet points and I think we will be done with this spread. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give me those thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, make sure you do so you don't miss any videos from me. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I truly hope you enjoyed that one. And this was the Kellofaplan seasonal florals, and it was released this year. Okay, let me put this back. And let's flip through them. So June, this was the first one, second one, third week, and fourth week. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye.